why do people go to Starbucks? The last reason you go to Starbucks is for a good coffee. Everybody knows
अच्छी नहीं है वहाँ की.
सबसे बेकार coffee है.
Yeah.
Right. But they sell a brand.
So Juice Veda is you're squeezing everything on the spot.
Yes. We don't know what you're going to order. We have a menu on the wall. Just like how you go to a restaurant and you order food. Well, luckily, we don't have to cook anything. Right? We are raw, cold pressed.
Welcome, Mohit ji. Thank you so much for coming. It's a pleasure to have you on the show. Mohit ji, we are here to talk about Juice Veda. I met you at an Ayurvedic event last week. It was very inspiring, unique as well, to see something called Juice Veda in Melbourne. I had few drinks. I think one was ganne ka juice. It was amazing, by the way. There was this millet chart as well, which was so good. Tell us about yourself and how did you come up with Juice Veda?
Bajre ka kachumbar.
Bajre ka kachumbar. Wow, that is what it's called.
Yes, that is what it is called. And thank you for having me here. And lovely meeting you again. It was very inspirational to see you the other day as well. So what I did was, मैं और मेरे partner जो हैं HP Bhardwaj ji, in about 2019 we were standing in a parking lot. We had very inspirational conversations, but one fine day he said, "यार, Ayurveda is such a beautiful venture. You know, such a beautiful thing." But I used to complain. It's like, सबको क्यों नहीं पता इसके बारे में? Why do we have to refer to our mums and dadis only? What happens to it after we pass away? हर सर दर्द के लिए डिस्प्रिन नहीं बना है. It could just be as simple as something lying in your pantry like hing, which works magic for bloating or stomach ache for any age. It's like we've all heard about all these things, but who's following it? Okay, maybe 5% people are following it who know about it. So that's where this whole idea was. So basically the first thing was, let's make Ayurveda for the common man. And he said, how about juices as a product? And that's when it came out of my mouth. I said, Juice Veda. It's like, yeah, sounds like a good name to start with. I have been a chef all my life. So my, kind of job became to make sure ki, whatever we make, let's keep the principles in place. We will not use anything unnatural. We will not pour juices out of a bottle. We will not get anything in a packet. And then make sure कि boss taste तो आना चाहिए. Because that is the final prerogative. Anything that you say today, I could tell you करेले के juice is wonderful. But मुझे बताइए कि आप कितनी बार उसको religiously कर पाएंगे हफ्ते में. Something that doesn't form into a habit is not effective. That's why we came up with Juice Veda. Let's get the principles of Ayurveda, keep it natural, and now focus on getting the taste right.
So what is Juice Veda exactly? It's like a juice bar.
It is an Ayurvedic juice bar. So the inspiration is Ayurveda because we keep it 100% natural. We go back to the classics. Kanji, which is a fermented drink. घड़ों में डाल के जो बनती थी. We do it the same way. And these fermentation, pickling, these processes were made when there was no refrigeration in the world. So हम रेत गाड़ के उसमें खाना रखते थे ताकि वो ठंडा रह सके रात को. Something as simple as fresh juice has to stay fresh. It has to be, you go in, you order, it is made and you consume in the next 5-10 minutes.
मुझे बहुत एक आपकी बात अच्छी लगी. आपने बोला कि we will stick to the natural ingredients और आपने बोला we will not be pouring anything out of bottles. सब कुछ freshly होगा. When I first came here, Boost Juice पे we used to get wheatgrass shots.
जी.
I think Boost Juice जब start हुआ उसका भी कुछ ऐसा ही, Janine उनकी founder है.
Janine Anderson.
I don't know the last name. उनका भी कुछ ऐसे ही था. She wanted to come up with something क्योंकि everybody is having soft drinks. They wanted to start up something which is healthy. So they used to have these wheatgrass shots as well at that point. I don't think they do it anymore.
They don't.
So they are quite commercialized. Same as मुझे लगता है Subway का भी यही है कि it was supposed to be very very healthy and
but unfortunately
it's not.
It's not.
What you're telling Juice Veda and what I consumed over there as well. Kanji is a fermented drink. Yes, you're right. Yes. And I think it's very good for gut flora.
Gut flora.
आप आजकल every other person is suffering from IBS है, कुछ ना कुछ gut related issue. And if people, ये हमने पहले भी एक हमारा आयुर्वेदा episode हुआ था with Dr. Roop and तभी we discussed कि काफ़ी मेंटल एलिमेंट्स भी हमारे गट से आती हैं जो लोगों को नहीं पता. पीपल थिंक हमें एंग्जाइटी, हमें डिप्रेशन हो रहा है. व्हाट दे डोंट रियलाइज इज अगर आप अपना खाना चेंज कर लोगे, योर ब्रेन इज वेरी मच कनेक्टेड टू योर स्टमक.
Bang on there. This is something that I learned in the process as well. Everybody who gets a headache, सबसे पहले सर दर्द की दवाई लेते हैं. Now if you just read the label और a little description about हमारी सबसे कॉमन सर दर्द की दवाई है पैनाडोल एंड डिस्प्रिन, ये एक्चुअली में सर में तो जाती नहीं है.
No, of course not.
Right? They go into your stomach and they break down gastrointestinus and you are relieved of that pain. Essentially, तो ये गट को क्योर कर रहे हैं और आपके सर में जो the reason you are having a headache is you have got gas which is not getting any its right place to exude out of the body.
Yeah.
That is the most common thing. Today I see on a daily basis people, यार weight loss करवा दो. I tell them अगर आपने 8th grade की साइंस पढ़ी है तो एक्चुअली में आपको जवाब पता है. आप मेरे से ये नहीं पूछ रहे हो कि पतले होने के लिए क्या करना है. आप मेरे से मेरे जवाब में आपके अंदर होने वाली विल पावर ढूंढ रहे हो.
हाँ.
वी ऑल नो कि यार सही खाओ, कम खाओ, work out a little, don't eat processed food. We all know it. I'm sure you've heard of the concept of yogi, bhogi, rogi. एक बार खाने वाला योगी. You know, your body needs only one meal a day to survive. That's it. Bhogi is 2 meals where you are eating a lot. That means you are indulging. You are indulging. You are hungry. You want to eat more. Or very rightly said, 3 बार खाने वाला रोगी है. That means you are giving disease to you. You are not letting your body rest. The first thing you do when you fall sick, you actually have to. और ये हमारे शायद eternally इंडियन मम्स की भी थोड़ी सी आदत है कि बच्चा भी बीमार होता है तो क्या खाएगा क्या खाएगा क्या खाएगा. एक्चुअली में कुछ नहीं खाना इज द सॉल्यूशन.
बट ये हमारे पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन की प्रॉब्लम है. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर हमारे आई रिमेंबर एटलीस्ट मेरे दादी जी, मेरे नानी जी, वो लोग डिफरेंट थे. दे वर नॉट लाइक कि आप बीमार हो तो आप क्या खाओगे ज़्यादा. रादर दे यूज्ड टू से कि आप you eat less or you just go on the fruit diet basically. Just fruits.
पानी पी लो,
fruit खाओ and that's it. Not even खिचड़ी जो आजकल I think हमारे parents are more like oh बीमार हो खिचड़ी खा लो. Actually you don't need a meal when you're sick because आपके body को और काम करना.
Body recover कर रही है. Body अपने आप काम कर रही है.
Yeah, body is very intelligent.
Body is very very intelligent. And the message that I want to give, I knew that it is not possible कि मैं 3 महीने में 6 महीने में I would train my people and have them delivering, become my clones. So I wanted to actually be there at a retail front after 20 years of culinary experience. I wanted to be there. We had to build this brand sustainably. The moment things opened up after COVID, everybody come to the shop and say कि bottle के पीछे क्या लिखा है. We were picking up, we were reading stuff and I was so happy about the fact that people are actually ये हाइड्रो मोनोऑक्साइड और CO2 और नंबर्स और कोड्स एंड यू नो समथिंग दैट वी नेवर केयर्ड अबाउट. किड्स वर पिकिंग देम अप एंड आस्किंग देयर डैड्स लाइक डैड व्हाट डज दिस मीन. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज अनलेस एंड अनटिल बच्चे नहीं पूछेंगे तो हमारे अंदर भी वो अवेकनिंग नहीं आएगी क्योंकि वी हैव काइंड ऑफ कंडीशनड आवरसेल्फ. ठीक है यार उठा लो कोई बात नहीं. टुडे इफ यू टॉक अबाउट स्टारबक्स, व्हाई डू पीपल गो टू स्टारबक्स? द लास्ट रीजन यू गो टू स्टारबक्स इज फॉर अ गुड कॉफी. Everybody knows
अच्छी नहीं है वहाँ की.
सबसे बेकार कॉफी है. Right. But they sell a brand. You are more worried about putting that up on a social media platform rather than actually consuming that coffee.
2020 के बाद एक शिफ्ट हुआ है and everybody wants to do things that are actually good for them and meaningful and truthful to their lives in one way or the other. और I want to ask you, हम जूस वेदा की बात कर रहे हैं, what is the major difference? ऐसे तो बहुत हमारे पास so called health drinks आप सुपरमार्केट्स में भी ले सकते हो. Why do people want to come to Juice Veda?
It's not bottled, it's not pasteurized. We do cold pressing first of all. Cold pressing again goes back to a classic practice. जब हम इंडिया में जूस पीते थे तो हमको याद होगा कि एक मशीन लगी है और क्या तो वो ऐसे हैंडल होता था या फिर ऊपर से एक मडलर पकड़ के वो आदमी उसको क्रश करता था.
जी.
What was involved? Human pressure. Not a machine.
No.
Cold pressing doesn't mean it is cold juice. The speed of the juicer at which it breaks the fruit and veg is designed at the same speed of a human mouth can chew.
Oh, so that's called cold pressing.
एक देखिए एक मशीन है जिसने ऐसे करके क्रश किया,
फाइबर तो सारा निकल जाता
फाइबर
है।
निकल गया, उसमें जो एक्चुअल में शुगर और पानी रह गया वो आपके पास आ गया। कोल्ड प्रेसिंग rotates at the speed. The food is still there, but it is getting broken like it is broken down in a human mouth.
So it has fiber in it.
It has fiber in it. It has all the essential nutrients. हम बिल्कुल ही वो कर देते हैं। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि फ्रूट में शुगर नहीं होती, बट फ्रूट की शुगर बुरी नहीं होती। फ्रूट शुगर ही एक्चुअली आपके लिए अच्छी शुगर है। योर बॉडी हैज गॉट द मैकेनिज्म टू ब्रेक इट डाउन एंड यूज इट्स न्यूट्रिशन। बट अगर आप वही चीज़ एक बॉटल्ड प्रोसेस चीज़ उठा के पी रहे हैं एंड अज्यूमिंग दैट I did healthy today, it's...
I want to go back to the same question again. तो कई बार I have read this word कि cold pressed juice है, you know, in the supermarkets on some of the bottles. It is still cold pressed, but लेकिन they've added, you know, preservatives, and so it is still not good for you.
It is still...
So Juice Veda is you're squeezing everything on the spot.
Yes. We don't know what you're going to order. We have a menu on the wall. Just like how you go to a restaurant and you order food. Well, luckily, we don't have to cook anything. Right? We are raw, cold pressed. So you come in and you say, today I just want to have a carrot and beetroot juice. We will have carrot and beetroot juice ready for you.
Cold press.
Apart from obviously all the combinations that we do, like another very popular one is called Health Freak. साल में 6 महीने लौकी यूज करते हैं।
अच्छा, Health Freak is the name of a juice.
It's a detox. It's very good for your gut. Now coming in Australia, it is done with basically apple, ginger, spinach, लौकी and कड़ी पत्ता।
Oh, कड़ी पत्ता.
कड़ी
Wow.
पत्ता। मेरे दिमाग में भी ये डाउट था कि यार कड़ी पत्ता तो आज तक फ्राइड किया है सिर्फ। लाइक व्हाट वुड हैपन इफ यू पुट दिस। आई हैड सम कड़ी पत्ता, आई हैड द जूसर एट माय डिस्पोजल टू ट्राई आउट थिंग्स। लाइक लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस एंड हैव पीपल ट्राई इट एंड अ ब्लाइंड टेस्टर। एंड लाइम लीफ, नींबू हम सब बहुत हेवीली यूज करते हैं, बट नींबू का जो पत्ता होता है साउथ ईस्ट एशियन खाने में बहुत
Thai
यूज
food में
Thai
बहुत
food
use
is
होता है।
बेस्ट हर्ब्स टू यूज एंड
Oh,
आई
really?
पर्सनली लव इट। जो अब हम थाई करी खाते हैं essentially, the majority part of it, like apart from galangal, garlic and all those chilies and stuff, the lime leaf is a big star player there.
Yes.
Big star player in that dish. अगर वो नहीं होगी तो थाई करी would never even be as pungent and as spicy.
Absolutely.
Let's give it a go. We either make our juices cold pressed, जो juice हैं, और जो blending होती है वो सिर्फ vacuum blenders में होती है। Now vacuum blender is also something which is state of the art latest technology in this industry, where हम नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं, जैसे हम कुछ भी चीज़ ब्लेंड करते हैं घर के ब्लेंडर्स या कमर्शियल किसी भी ब्लेंडर में, द मोमेंट वी हिट पावर ऑन, एयर दैट गोज आउट ऑफ द कैप, राइट? डू यू नो व्हाट इज दैट? द न्यूट्रिशन which is making its way out.
Ah, okay.
Nutrition is not visible to our eyes. That's why cold pressing and vacuum blending was invented. मिंट चटनी ही बना रहे हैं फॉर एग्जांपल घर पे, कभी कभी हाथ से पिसी हुई का हम क्यों बोलते हैं, अरे इसका तो टेस्ट ही अलग आ रहा है।
So what does the vacuum blender
So
does?
vacuum, what it does is, it's imagine your product, your thing is cooking inside a vacuum sealed jar. Before you hit power, you actually hit vacuum. It will seal the whole thing and now it will start blending. Leads to
flavor
zero nutritional
and,
loss and zero flavor loss as well. अगर आपने मैंगो ब्लेंड किया या बनाना ब्लेंड किया या जो भी चीज़ ब्लेंड करी है, उसका जो फ्लेवर है वो कहीं जाएगा नहीं. It will be like you're cooking inside a bag. Technique called sous vide, and it's cooking in a water bath. Like basically आपने गर्म पानी के अंदर वो बैग डाल दिया है which is vacuum packed. जो कुकिंग के टाइम पे न्यूट्रिशनल लॉस होता है और फ्लेवर लॉस होता है, उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए हमने उस इंग्रेडिएंट को, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वो एस्पैरागस या ब्रोकली है, हमने उसको उस बैग के अंदर वैक्यूम पैक किया हुआ, so that flavor is not going away. So when you open that bag and you smell it, you actually have like wow.
So that's what. So you're using.
That's what I wanted to bring into smoothies में क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे होंगे?
Are you still using vacuum blenders?
Yes.
अच्छा, तो
yes.
अभी आप
that became a norm for us.
Okay.
Like when we used it, we found this and it's like, boss, there is no better way of doing juices and smoothies. I actually make the same juice in a normal blender and I show them. See?
So the taste is different.
Completely different.
I want to ask you something, if you're okay to share. Cucumber, millet
Millet
job.
cucumber.
Cucumber. You sell a lot of those stuff
Grain
as well.
salads. as
Grain
well.
salads.
Yeah.
So
Generally, our concept is vegetarian. We even try to avoid as much dairy as possible. A lot of people shoot me for it कि dairy गलत नहीं होती है. I agree with it. But unfortunately, not all dairy that we see in today's age and time is right.
जो उनकी fermentation जिस तरीके से हो रही है,
Homogenization and unhomogenized बहुत फर्क है.
It's commercialized now.
जी, बहुत लोग ये क्लेम करते हैं, अरे मैं बच्चों को, मेरे बच्चे दूध पीते हैं उसमें चीनी नहीं डालते वो. मैंने कहा क्योंकि उसमें चीनी की ज़रूरत नहीं है,
ऑलरेडी शुगर
कब
होती
वो
है.
आर टाइम्स व्हेन गाय का दूध घर पे आता था तो हम लोग मरते थे कि प्लीज़ एक चम्मच डालने दो, ये पिया नहीं जा रहा है.
Yeah.
किसी भी दूध को कमर्शियली सोल्ड दूध को पीछे उठा के देख लीजिए, the amount of sugars that are in there, that's stimulating enough.
Yes.
इंडिया में लैक्टोस इंटॉलरेंस हमने कभी सुना ही नहीं था.
यहाँ पे है.
It is taken so seriously.
बट यहाँ पे केसेस भी ज़्यादा हैं.
You wonder sometimes, you look at a person's dietary recommendations, you go like, what do you eat?
बहुत हमने अपने गट को खराब कर चुके हैं बहुत.
And those cells
ज़्यादा.
are now disrupted.
वो हमारे और वो पास ऑन हो रही है हमारे जनरेशंस में, हमारे बच्चों में.
अब हम
pass
कुछ भी
on
खाते
हो रहा
हैं तो वो ट्रिगर कर जाता है.
Of
वो करेक्शन इज द बेस्ट वे फॉरवर्ड.
आपको लगता है कि वॉट यू आर डूइंग और वॉट यू आर सेलिंग इज मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस? पीपल कम बैक एंड गिव यू फीडबैक कि आपने अच्छा, आई हैड इट लास्ट टाइम, इट वाज गुड. डू यू गेट एनी फीडबैक्स यू कैन शेयर?
आई हैव सीन पीपल stop by when we have been busy. I've been at the till and they've waited, and that's what makes me proud. So today we have got customers who've been with us for over 5 years. We have done almost every festival that has happened in Melbourne.
Oh, wow.
We have the last 2 years we've been the classic Thandai
For
Thandai
summers.
sponsors for the Melbourne Holi.
Oh, nice.
I think we did almost 900 liters Thandai
Wow.
in 2 days.
So tell me something. आपने एक बहुत ही यूनिक आइडिया को स्टार्ट किया इन मेलबर्न, इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इन इंडिया, इन वर्ल्ड, लेकिन हंड्रेड्स बंद भी हो जाते हैं. आपने कुछ तो हर्डल्स फेस किए होंगे. What were the hurdles and what kept you going? Of course you're saying there's a passion and you still look quite passionate. You're saying it's been 5 years on. What were the hurdles?
Oh, amazing. It sounds like you said, sounds बहुत simple है यार. Product उठाना है, juicer में डालना है, हो गया. Again, क्या the person at the counter who's selling it, a solution architect, is you could walk up to a person in a shop and say, I have a gut issue, suggest me something.
Yeah.
Right? And this happens. So when we have a staff member, we that's my classic way of teaching my staff members as well. Like, somebody comes to you with a problem, offer them a solution. I have a gut issue, you tell me. Have an apple cumin, don't worry about it. Done. Don't waste their time, don't waste your time. Even in our system today, like the POS that we use, we've actually put out pointers for our team members.
By the time अब आपको पता भी होगा कि these are the
There are common issues. Sometimes people come in, they have no idea what the shop is about, and they read Ayurveda, and some people are a little, what's Ayurveda about this? Make me something. And that's when we actually touch base. Have a kanji. You will feel the difference in the kala namak that you're tasting, in the black salt. Have a curry leaf juice. Have a Thandai, which is going to cool you down, but with its richness at the same point of time. To open a shop like this, it takes a lot. But you have no idea right now what it takes to make a shop like this turn into a brand.
That's a totally different ball game.
That's when you need acumen. That's when you need real data. You need real information. Give as many solutions as you can. Work out your systems first. So now what we're doing is we are reworking the website to actually make it friendly for everyone. It's like you would actually log in and say, I want this solution. I want gut friendly juices. Generic information. Nothing scientific again, because claims and all is something that it's not part of the retail structure. Hurdles have been many. I still come up with people and it's like, you don't have moringa.
Moringa is very healthy, yes.
Very healthy. Then I went ahead and I bought some moringa. I was like, let me try it out. Giloy. We actually sell Giloy.
So you get Giloy in Australia?
Actually imported from India.
Okay.
And organic drops. So we get that. However, Giloy is not for everyone. Ashwagandha is not for everyone. Turmeric is not for everyone.
Depends on your prakriti.
Exactly. Your doshas. Now, when these kind of things come in, we have to be very careful.
हर किसी को नहीं पता है कि मेरी तासीर गर्म है या मेरी तासीर ठंडी है.
कफा है, बीता है,
जी.
क्या है? That's why we came up with lesser titles, lesser names, lesser explanations to keep it very simple. And then now we are focusing on a segment on the menu where you could just go and click health benefits. When you have the time and you want to research, you can actually go down and see. However, what we wanted accessibility. We do a juice package. a detox pack or whatever you may want to
So
call
what
it.
does the package mean?
So package means generally आप जैसे कहीं भी online जाते हैं juice pack for 7 days or detox लेना है and all that. You want to have juice, you want to have it for a healthy mind rather than anything else. That's why we came up with this package called the detox pack, where we give you 10 liters of juice to use over 4 weeks and you pay $150.
You take it home?
You can do whatever you want. The only thing is we pack you up in a liters. So today if you came in, you said, Mohit, I need only 2 liters today. You have 8 left in your account. Next time you come in, Mohit, I want 2 liters of another one. We will make it fresh. So the beauty of it is still like how you walk into the store, you select your juice, because we don't know. We have just given you the leverage ki boss, you have paid 150. Now you have 10 liters of juice. You could walk in every time, or you could call us.
come in every day to
You
have a
could
glass.
come in every day.
Yeah.
Females that I know personally now, what they've done is कि boss तुम्हारे चक्कर में हमने lunch बंद कर दिया. Imagine 1 liter, like which is 2-3
Fiber
glasses
and
of
everything.
pure fiber, is a lot.
Yes,
It's a
of
lot
course.
for your gut.
Keeps you full as well.
Ayurveda is, again, people think, oh, it's not. It is more so preventive medicine. वो आपको ये नहीं सिखाता कि आप बीमार हो गए, आप ये चीज़ पीजिए, ये चीज़ खाइए, आप ठीक हो जाएंगे. It is something that says आप ये चीज़ करिए, include it in your lifestyle, and you will never have gut issues.
To optimize, basically.
You have carrot juice or have beetroot juice, you will always have sharp eyesight. We don't want you to have a juice every day. We want you to have it as often as, so that you feel the difference.
चलो ये आप बता रहे हो कि सारे आपने hurdles share करे, which is very good, which is all part of your business right now, you know, कि packages कैसे introduce करने हैं, किसको कैसे suggest करना है. You've explained it very beautifully. Just to conclude, you are open to franchisees, right?
Yes.
So anyone can approach you through social media. If somebody is watching, they are intrigued, they can.
Somewhere in Australia,
Melbourne or
beyond
anywhere.
Australia.
Beyond Australia as well.
Even beyond Australia. I love helping people personally. So yes, franchisees, yes. Obviously, you can contact me directly. We'll have all the solutions for you.
Directly through your socials? So
Through
you have
my socials.
through your Instagram, we can
yes,
put it in the link.
Any of our socials, through our Facebook or Instagram page, different models based on where you are, what
of
location
course,
it
you
is.
can discuss
That
with
is something
them.
that is a future conversation.
Yes.
Even if it is just beyond about, general questions about what we have spoken today, I'll be happy to answer and explain them in detail.
Amazing.
If somebody has to. That's what it is, and thanks a lot.
Thank you for coming and giving us such vast information. I think मुझे खुद ही इसके बाद बैठ के सब कुछ sink in करने में time लगेगा. But keep it simple.
Keep
yes.
it simple.
That's the crux of this conversation. That please keep it simple and go back to basics.
And have a fun conversation.
Absolutely.
Thank
you for your time.
Thank you.